Does your Insignia Fire TV keep disconnecting from Wi-Fi again and again? Imagine this. You're watching your favorite show or a live match, and suddenly the screen freezes, buffering starts, or you get that frustrating no internet connection error. This problem is extremely common among Fire TV users. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through some easy, step-by-step solutions to fix this issue permanently, so you can stream without interruptions. Step 1. Restart your devices. Let's begin with the simplest fix, restarting. Many times, the problem is just a temporary glitch. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. Do the same with your Insignia Fire TV by unplugging it from power for half a minute before plugging it back in. This refreshes the network, clears any minor bugs, and often brings your connection back to normal. It's quick, simple, and surprisingly effective. Step 2. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. If restarting didn't help, the next step is to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Sometimes the saved Wi-Fi settings inside your TV get corrupted, causing it to disconnect repeatedly. To fix this, go to Settings, Network, select your Wi-Fi, and choose Forget Network. Then reconnect by entering your password again. This resets the connection from scratch and can instantly solve the issue of random dropouts. Step 3. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Now, let's check your Wi-Fi signal strength. If your Fire TV is placed far from the router, or if there are multiple walls in between, the signal can become weak, leading to constant disconnections. To check, go to Settings, Network, and look at the signal bars next to your Wi-Fi. If the bars are low, that means weak signal. The solution? Move your router closer, reposition your TV, or use a Wi-Fi extender to boost coverage. A strong signal equals a stable connection. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi band. Modern routers usually provide two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If your Fire TV keeps disconnecting, try switching between them. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range but slower speed, while the 5 GHz band gives faster speed but shorter coverage. Depending on your home setup, one might work better than the other. Many Fire TV users have fixed their Wi-Fi problems simply by switching bands, so give it a try. Step 5. Update Fire TV software. Outdated software is another reason why Wi-Fi issues pop up. Amazon regularly releases software updates to fix bugs, including network problems. To check, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. If an update is available, install it right away. Keeping your Fire TV updated not only improves performance, but also prevents future Wi-Fi glitches. And that's it. By following these steps, your Insignia Fire TV should stay connected without random Wi-Fi dropouts. Start with the easy methods like restarting and reconnecting, and move to advanced ones only if needed. I hope this video helped you fix your issue. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with others facing the same problem, and subscribe for more quick and simple fixes for your smart TV.